Hello everyone, my name is Jack Bosma. We are recording. I want to share my screen and I want everybody to join us in promoting Muhammad Ismail's YouTube channel and also his content creation work. Let's go ahead and do this. I'm sharing the screen. We can see the YouTube channel. It's called Muhammad Ismail Career Tips and provides an excellent resource platform for the providing of all content, highly interactive, and the video creation activities are outstanding. I would also like to share another channel with everyone, and this is on Udemy. Okay, we will go to Udemy right now, and we will look at Muhammad Ismail's Udemy channel. We will do this right now. Let's see if we can find your YouTube channel now. I cannot find your YouTube channel. Can you send me the link, please? Here it is. Here's Muhammad Ismail's channel. We can see how many viewers we have on Udemy. It's quite an impressive number of enthusiastic and engaging learners. And we're going to partner on Muhammad's outstanding video and technical capabilities and my primary English usage skills to ensure that high quality videos are produced in addition to the technical capabilities that are needed when providing commentary on all submitted work. I'm very excited about our partnership and look forward to ensuring that all users of our platforms on YouTube and Udemy have a valuable and highly educational learning experience. Thank you very much for listening to this brief presentation. I look forward to interacting with Muhammad very shortly in creating the engaging content. Muhammad, do you have anything to say? Thank you very much, everyone. Let's invite, excite, engage, and support, and continue on with our learning journey globally.